Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the cabin systems. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so electronics are active. Next, select the defog mode on the HVAC control and set the fan to medium. This balances airflow and temperature. Then press the rear defogger switch and watch the indicator. It confirms the grid is powered. Once done, you'll let the system run briefly to warm and circulate air, because moving dry, warm air clears moisture faster than cold, stagnant air. Now you refine settings to remove stubborn fog. Engage a /C and switch to fresh air intake because the /C dehumidifies cabin air efficiently. Avoid recirculation since it traps moisture and worsens fogging. Increase cabin temperature gradually. Warm air holds more moisture and helps evaporation, but keep it comfortable. Direct the vents to the windshield, and if fog persists, boost fan speed to high. This increases airflow across glass and speeds evaporation. Make sure to monitor visibility and complete the procedure by confirming clear visibility, then lower fan speed to low for comfort and to reduce battery draw if the engine is off. If the rear defogger lamp stays off or the grid doesn't heat, check the fuse and test grid continuity. Many faults are simple fuses or broken grid lines. If interior fog returns frequently, inspect the cabin air filter, AC refrigerant level, and door/window seals for leaks. These factors allow moisture ingress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.